Here I have ALCATEL 3V, and today I'm going to show you how to add and remove Google account on this device. So first of all, you have to go to the settings, then you have to open users and accounts section, and here you have to tap on add account and select Google. You will need internet connection for this, of course. Next you have to enter your email or phone number. Tap on next. Next you have to enter your password and tap on next. In the next step you have to agree with Google's terms of service and privacy policy. And tap accept, and that's it. Google account added. If you want to remove it, you just tap on it here and then tap remove account, and that's it, account removed. So thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.